In 2013, the rules of the transportation industry changed dramatically. There was the onset of what was then called ride-sharing services: Uber, Lyft, Sidecar. These transportation services differed from taxis, buses, or trains that we were used to because individuals were driving their own vehicles in exchange for compensation. When someone was in a taxi or on a bus, it was clear who was responsible. The law required that they have insurance. With the new drivers driving their own vehicles on these application platforms, the law was unclear as to whether there would be any coverage whatsoever for harms caused in an accident. I began writing about this in the year 2013 in my column in the Examiner. I was very concerned for the rights of consumers should they be injured in or by one of these vehicles. Unfortunately, it came to pass that occurred. On New Year's Eve 2013, Sophia Liu was killed while crossing the street with her mother. She was hit by an Uber driver who was looking down while making a right-hand turn. The tragic death of Sophia put the issue of responsibility into the forefront. As a result of handling that case for the Liu family, we designed a plan of action, not just to recover for them, but to change the entire system for the betterment of everyone in the United States. The Lius, myself, and Assemblywoman Bonilla helped to draft a bill, AB 2293, that went through the state legislature. It requires that these transportation companies, such as Uber, Lyft, and others, provide $1 million worth of insurance to people who are riding in the vehicle or people who are hit by one of those vehicles while transporting a passenger or going to pick a passenger up. It also provided, for the first time, protection for drivers of the vehicle who may be hit by uninsured or underinsured motorists. I also involved myself in the California Public Utilities Commission's ride-sharing hearings. I became a party. I was the only lawyer who joined those proceedings, entirely voluntary. But I wanted to make sure that protections were in place, that vehicles would be properly inspected, that drivers would be vetted, and that consumers would get the transportation and safety that they deserved. I'm proud to say that my firm continues to lead efforts of holding ride-sharing or transportation network carriers responsible for their conduct. Here at the Dolan Law Firm, we're ready to take your call and to see you achieve justice.